So now let's see how we can use the scatter tool plugin inside of Blender. So in order to use the scatter tool plugin, first of all, you need to enable it by going into edit and by going into preferences, and under add-ons you have to search for the word scatter right here. So there you go, you got the scatter objects a plugin right here under the object plugin area right here. So once you enable this, the plugin gets enabled. So over here, what you can do now is press Shift A on your keyboard and then bring in an object where you can apply the scatter. So I'm going to go around, scale this out right here, and I'm going to also bring in another let's say object which I want to apply the scatter with. So I'm going to go around into cone, and over here let me just decrease the size of the vertices right here. So I have something like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scatter this object around on the sphere. So I'm going to shade this smooth right here. So if I were to select this, this is the object that I'm going to scatter, and I'm going to scatter it here. So I'm going to hold Shift on my keyboard and select this object out. So now all I need to do is go into object, and over here you can see scatter objects is an option. So once you click on it, what happens is that the plugin is active. So you can click and drag around, and what happens is that it draws around this shape right here on the sphere. So I can go around, draw this around right here just like this. I can go around, draw this around over here, and draw this around right here just like this. Draw this around, and there you go. This is what you have, as you can see. So I can just go around, scatter this all around over here, and that is what you have. So once you want to apply this, you can press enter on your keyboard, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you got this object scattered all over the sphere right here. So you can scatter any of the object right here. I'm going to go around, create a new object over here again. Let's say this time I'm going to select a torus. So I'm going to bring out the torus right here. So I'm going to select that and this, and I'm going to go around into object, scatter object, and then draw around. And what happens is that the donut shape gets scattered all over now, as you can see. So there you go. So I've scattered everything around, press enter, and there you go. There's the donut right here, as you can see, scattered all over the sphere right here. And that is how you can use the scatter tool plugin inside of Blender. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.